This biker is chased by 2 cops because when he saw this sneaky police car, he didn't know it was 2 cops who started chasing him, making him ride faster to get away. But what they did next is unthinkable because the biker had to make up a genius plan to see if they were really chasing him. So he went into this parking lot and stopped his bike. While he was really scared they would keep coming, but he stayed calm when the first cop drove up and actually gave a thumbs up. But the second car didn't do that. So he offered his green sprouts to the first cop, and they took 3 with a smile. But the second cop said no, making the biker ask again when he said he was just kidding. So he gave the sprouts, making him feel like a boss and them leaving without giving a ticket.